Welcome back, folks. This is the fourth chainsaw in the collection. It's an old Wizard Cat 16. Wizard was Western Auto's brand. I guess if you remember Western Auto, then you're getting old. So, welcome to the club. It was really a Lancaster. And it's not, for its age, it's alright. It's got an old Oregon bar on it. I don't think that's the original bar though, but it's alright. Missing the air filter, so it's kind of got one just made just to keep the little stuff out long enough to play with it. And that muffler ain't right. I think it's missing a part over the top of that because it's so loud you can't hardly stand it when it's running. Alright. There's a nice old saw. I think Tecumseh made the motors for these. It runs. It's pretty good. This one's had kind of a hard life, but I don't care. It's a rare saw. They're hard to find, so I'm fine with it. It's got a little work done to it. Something's busted the housing. This is the earlier one with 3 dog teeth on the bottom and 1 on the top, but it's painted. It's made that way. I don't know. Anyway, here we go. It's got throttle lock. It's got manual oiler. No automatic back then. Off and on. Choke down here. It's got one of them early, one screw carburetors. Yeah, they work all right. You just have to be real easy about adjusting them. You just turn it a little bit at a time. It's, for its age, it starts up and runs all right. I'm glad to have it in the collection. It's just something you don't really see. It's got this deal here for the chain tightening. That's an odd setup, but good. Alright, let's see if it is cranked. Don't you hear how ridiculously loud this thing is? There it is. Wizard Cat 16. Thanks for watching. Bye.